Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to do a comparison between Venmo and Revolut and which one should you choose. So, for beginners, the two platforms of Venmo and Revolut are going to be both financial platforms or financial apps. You can use these apps to manage your financial deposits and also spendings. Now, what is going to be the best for you? So, the best choice depends on the needs of yours. Of course, we are going to start by explaining the features or the key features for each one of the apps. Let's start with Venmo. Venmo is going to be best for peer to peer or P2P payments, social transactions, and also bill splitting in the United States. The key feature for this specific app or this platform, it is going to be owned by PayPal. So PayPal own this specific, as you can see, app or the Venmo platform. That is something reassuring for the security, let's say, purposes, and it is going to offer a social feed to share transactions, which is going to be optional. Venmo has a free transfer to linked bank accounts within 1 to 3 days. Also, it has an instant transfer cost of 1.75%, and that is going to be for a max of $25. Also, we have a 3% fee on or fees on credit card payments. That is going to be a little bit, let's say here, exaggerated in my opinion. For the Venmo, it is going to be offering a debit and also a credit card plus cryptocurrency trading. And this is something in advantage of the traders. So for the limitation, Venmo only is available in the United States, and so it is going to be limited international functionalities. So it is going to be only available in the US, not outside the US. So it is going to be something that you're going to use to pay your friends, pay some specific bills with the credit cards that are going to contain the currency of the dollar or the USD only. Now, moving on to Revolut, it is going to be best for international transfers, and like Venmo, which is going to be local transfers only. It has digital banking and financial management. So it is going to be a whole platform, a whole app that will take the charges and also the financial management of your business or your accounts or anything. In here, the key features of this app are going to be like the following. We have the multiple currency accounts, which is going to be an international feature or international advantage for your account. We have a competitive exchange rates for international transfers. It supports the cryptocurrency tradings and stock investments, and that is going to be something great to hear and to use. We have a free standard transfer and also a premium plan or plans to add features like travel insurance and etc. It is going to work in multiple countries, making it great for frequent travelers. Now, for the limitation of the Revolut, some advances features required a paid plan, and the paid plan is not going to be that cheap. So, which is going to be the better one for you? So if you need only money to spend or send money domestically in the US, Venmo is going to be the better choice. And if you are going to travel and you need travel insurance and also often send money internationally, Revolut is going to be the stronger option due to its multi currency support and also lower